channel Quick Learn with Vijisha. Today we will see lesson number 3, HCF and LCM of class 7th. We'll get into the topic. HCF means the highest common factor, means the least common multiple. Means in this you have to find the factors of the numbers, and this you have to find the multiples of the numbers. Now coming into the HCF factor, that is highest common factor, how you have to do the factorization. Now for the factorization you need to know the test of divisibility. This is a very important topic, test of divisibility, and I have already uploaded a video on test of divisibility, a detailed video, but then also I will take you into a quick revision. To check for the table of 2, you need to have the digits in the units place as 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. To check in the table of 3, you need to add all digits. To check in the table of 5, the units place should have the digits 0, 0 or 5. To check in the table of 10, you need to have unit number as 0. So this is a quick revision I have done, but if you want to see the detailed video, you can check out. Now let's calculate HCF and LCM in the same table for 36 and 24. So we will write 36 and 24. Now you have to check this units place 6 and 4 goes in which table. As per test of divisibility, it goes in the table of 2. So 2 18s are 36 and 2 12s are 40. Now again we have got 18 and 12. Now you have to check for 8 and 2. The last digits you have to check. 8 and 2 goes in the table of 2. So 2 9s are 18 and 2 6s are 12. Now we will again check for 9 and 6. 9 and 6 doesn't go in the table of 2. So the next table is 3. So it goes in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Now we will stop here the calculation. Now we will find the HCF and LCM. So the HCF will be these numbers, that is 2 into 2 into 3. So your answer will be 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now we will calculate LCM. LCM means whatever the HCF you have got, means these numbers 12, and the remaining these numbers also you have to take into LCM, that is 3 into 2. 3 2s are is 6. So your total answer will be 72. So if you wanted to do a simple calculation of HCF and LCM in the same table, so the HCF will be 12 for 36 and 24 and LCM will be 72 for 36 and 24. Hope you have understood the concept.